It was a good game by Jack. They're a way better team than they were last year. They play defense really well. They really turned it up on defense. And, they make shots. They have the 5-man who pops a lot, who cause problems in the pick and roll. And, they just play excellent defense. And, they play hard every play. I don't know if it was a special game, but it was great for me to come back and play in front of these fans. Mr. Fans, they're one of the greatest fans in European basketball. It's an honor for me to come back and play in front of these fans. So it was special. I would say somewhat it was a special day, but the game's over with. Now it's time to move on.
Good evening, first of all. I think that it was a big game, really a fantastic game for the atmosphere, for the beautiful arena, for the intensity the two teams played the game, which didn't even look a game at the beginning of the season. It looked like a game at the end of the season for the great intensity that both teams played. It's obvious that I would like to congratulate Žalgiris for a great finish in the fourth quarter. When we finished the third quarter up 1, they raised their level in the fourth quarter and we were not able to match up. But I want also to congratulate my player for a great effort. The game was decided by 3-4 important episodes. I think that there were a couple of actions where we did not defend well the pick and pop of Lavrinovic, and they scored a couple of times. We gave up 2-3 offensive rebounds, that was also important, and we missed some open shots. That's all. We didn't score, we didn't shoot well tonight, and this cost us the game together with the rebounds. I would like to wish good luck for the rest of the season to Žalgiris, and hopefully we will meet again some important game in the end of the season.
First thing, that's true that we are happy for win one of the strongest teams and probably one of the teams who's going to be in the Final Four in EuroLeague, also not only in BTV, also in EuroLeague, and then it's quite nice to beat them with all our fans here pushing and helping us in many moments that we are suffering. But the only explanation about all of this is that we are believing. My players are believing in our systems. The players are giving their best. You can look sometimes, both Lavrinovic, including Dev, defending 10 meters away. Today, Popovic are not on the court. What happened? We're gonna surrender, we're gonna give up. We are not give up against nobody. Doesn't matter that we have injury. It doesn't matter that we have one guy sick like Popovic today. It's really important, we keep fighting, we keep giving our best. We try to change our mentality. Not here at home, also when we play on the court, on the road. We play in Olympiacos, we're gonna go there for try to beat them. Maybe we are sure that we're gonna lose games. Sure, and probably soon we're gonna lose games. But our identity, our character is another character. It's what I will push from the day first. See also that the young players are playing. Juskevicius is playing, and Kuzminskas can begin like a fire starter. And Lekevicius and Mario Delas, of course they can play. If you have character, if you believe, if you give you 100%, of course you have space on this team. Then this way we can keep growing like a team, like a club. We need to be aware, and because now you know that the worst danger is ourselves. We win so many games in a row, and then maybe we think that we are the Lakers, or we are the Chicago Bulls. No, we are Žalgiris Kaunas, Žalgiris. And then we need to touch our feet on the floor. Knowing that we need to suffer again next Thursday against Armani Jeans. Really important game for us, and I wishing that the Crow is like today or more. But we need to touch this feet on the floor, thinking that or we are controlling and we keep being hungry every day, or we're gonna begin to lose. And about the game, we know that the teams of Veteran Messina always grow during the season, and then we can neither open champagne or cava or whatever. This team is growing. This team gonna be a better team in some weeks, and gonna be so difficult to beat them again in the next month. But our competition is another competition. Our competition is try to be a better team like last year. Try to show everybody that we are every time improving and that everybody is enjoying. When I saw, like I told you some days, that my players defending like a while, 10 minutes away, shooting and going, fighting for one ball divided on the floor, is because we are working in the right way. And all the merit is for all my players.
Žinoma, malonu laimėti varžybas tokias, ypač prieš komandą tokią kaip CSKA. Puikia komanda, labai gerai sukomplektuota. Ir varžybos nebuvo lengvos, patys matėte, kad truputėlį buvo banguotos. Džiaugiuosi, kad pabaigoje sužaidėm labai gerai, apsigynėm gerai ir kovojo vyrai puikiai. Ir vėlgi puolime atlikom tą, ką turėjom atlikti ir išpildėm savo žaidimo taktiką. Sezono pradžia dar, bet aš suolo esu labai agresyvus. Bandau palaikyti visą laiką komandos draugus ir bandau padėti. Stengiuosi būti netoks išraiškingas varžybų aikštelėje, kadangi teisėjai yra labai priekabūs ir gali netyčia techninę duoti. Taip, kad esu pasimokęs ne kartą ir nuskausminęs komandą, taip, kad nenoriu pakenkti komandai. Bet norėjusi, kad buvo momentas, kai mes banguotai žaidėm, norėjusi kažkaip užvest, prikelt ir žiūrovus, ir fanus, ir saviškius, kad kažkiek mes truputėlį žaistume daugiau agresyviau.